Welcome to our Tea and Sea channel. Today we are at Mer Dubai, one of the most beautiful beachfront destinations in the city, where vibrant colors, sandy shores, and seaside vibes all come together for the perfect day out. As we begin our walking tour, you'll notice the artistic walls, the cozy cafés, and the unique beachside design that make Mer stand out from any other place in Dubai. From boutique shops to trendy restaurants, Mer is full of life. You can grab a coffee, enjoy fresh seafood, or just walk around and soak in the chill coastal atmosphere. It's a family-friendly spot with something for everyone. Whether you're here with friends, kids, or even solo, you'll definitely find your perfect corner to unwind. And as the sun begins to set, Mer transforms into a magical place. The lights, the sounds, and the evening breeze create a stunning atmosphere you just can't miss. Now we are at Laguna, the heart of Mer Dubai, a beautiful beachfront spot that perfectly blends modern style with coastal vibes. As we stroll down Laguna Street, you can feel the calm seaside atmosphere. The pastel-colored buildings, artistic murals, and palm trees give this place a truly unique charm. And the beach here is calm and perfect for swimming, paddleboarding, or just relaxing on the soft golden sand while enjoying the view of the Arabian Gulf. Thanks for joining this walking tour of Laguna in Mer Dubai. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing places around the city.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content.